Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a video on a crypto I haven't covered in a long time. Near the main coin of the Near protocol network. It's I wanted to cover it today because it's been quite bullish. All right, Near. Quite bullish over the last 24 hours. It's up about 15%. It's one of the top gainers in the top 100 right now. Just in general, I mean, I know that there's that Near protocol has a pretty tight community. I used to make quite a lot of videos on Near. Now it's quite a bit less, but I know the community is still there. So I just wanted to give you my thoughts on Near right now. What I see happening from here, I think on the daily time frame, there's actually a lot possible, and there's a ton of potential for Near to rally up much higher. But we'll talk about that. We'll talk about the circumstances right now. We'll talk about how Near protocol is doing. Basically everything you need to know. So let's just dive right into it. Now, first of all, if you look at Near right now, I think we can see some statistics here. If you look at the chain itself, you'll see that the total value locked has been doing relatively great, right? Or relatively, I mean, it's been doing fine. It has almost doubled, not 100% doubled, but almost doubled in the last 3 months, which is good. It's not, to be honest, it's not great. Other chains have grown way more, but there is an uptrend. All right, Near is doing fine. All right, it's growing, which is what it's supposed to do. So that's good to see. And then I clicked it away. All right, let me look up some other numbers right now, because Near technically right now is one of the most bullish cryptos, and not only in the last 24 hours, but also just in general. And you can also see a strong open interest gain right here. This means the open interest has gone up from about 85 million to 116 million. All right, so that's an increase of about 30%. 30%. That's an increase of about $30 million. $30 million on top of 85 is, it's about a 35% increase, which is quite a lot for such a big crypto. And that makes you think that this major bullish breakout is a possibility. Because if you look at the daily, look, first of all, I mean, this is bullish, all right? Because Near was bullish right here. The market structure is bullish, was bullish right here, consolidated right here. And usually a consolidation after an uptrend results in another uptrend. And then if you look at the daily time frame, which is also important and interesting here, what you'll see is that we're nearing this major resistance level, like this level that we're nearing, which I'm not even sure what exactly the level is. I would say between 2.7 and 2.89 or something, or maybe even 2.9, perhaps 2.88. This level on the daily time frame is super strong. All right. So if Near is able to break above that, the first price target would be 3.3, but we could go as high as 3.7, which is a big gain for such a big crypto. So the big question is today and just in general, is will Near be able to break above that level? I would say a break above 2.85 is already enough. All right. Even though technically the level goes all the way up to 2.9. Perhaps a break above 2.75 is already enough. But that is what we'll have to see today. All right. And if I would have to give you my most likely scenario from here, I would say it's a bullish breakout. All right, because an open interest gain like this, which is still going up, by the way, usually results in continuation of the bullish momentum. All right, so that would mean a breakout above 2.75 and 2.85 and a continuation up to at least 3.25. Let's keep it at that. All right, that's purely objectively, that's most likely. Now, do I necessarily think that's going to happen? No, not necessarily. I think it depends on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin stays bullish today and it goes up above 43,200, for example, then Near will probably get that bullish breakout and rally up higher. But if for some reason Bitcoin starts falling, which is definitely a possibility in these market circumstances, which are not ideal, if Bitcoin starts falling back down below 42,000, I mean, then Near is probably not going to make it. Because in the end, Near is not that much correlated to Bitcoin, but over the last 30 days, it still very much is. All right, so those are my thoughts. Like I said, I expect a bullish breakout, but keep an eye on Bitcoin. All right, those are my thoughts. So thank you for watching. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. There you can also find out more info about my premium and Signal group if you want to make some money in the markets, but that's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.